Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a new little art journal and we will make the journal and the cover. I'm using Gelli Prints for the base of the journal. The Gelli Prints are made with the rubber dents round and circle stamp set, and I cut the pieces from a die that I got from an action store, and it's perfect to make a round card or even a mini album. I start by folding each piece in half. When I'm done with that, it's time to glue the back sides of each piece together. I'm using a Tombow glue stick because you can shift it for about 1 or 2 minutes before the glue dries. When you don't have such a circle die, you can also use rectangles and fold them in half and glue the back sides together. I keep one of my pages to create the cover. Before I glue everything down, I need to think about the closure, and I decide to go with just a simple piece of ribbon to make a bow to close my journal later. I secure my spine with kind of a fiber tape. It's a black one and it's a little bit tricky to adhere that because of that round pages. Here is the finished journal, and I think it turned out pretty nice with the different Gelli prints. After the flip through, we will create also the cover for the journal. I start by adhering a piece of pattern paper with matte medium. I'm applying white gesso with a palette knife to blend everything together. I make some scribble marks with a pencil into the wet gesso. After the background is dry, I'm also going in with a black watercolor pencil and make some marks. I dip the nib of the watercolor pencil into water from time to time to get a darker line. I'm using some of my stamps to create more interest on the background. This is one of the grungy circles from the Round and Circle stamp set, and I'm also using the vintage script. My main image is one of our doodle flowers. I stamped it to watercolor paper and I fuzzy cut it. Before I adhere the flower, I'm using one of the Tim Holtz dies to decorate my cover. I decide that my flower needs a little touch of color, so I'm using the Arteza watercolor pencils to add a little bit of shading. To finish the journal, I'm adding the word art with some die-cut letters. Here is my finished journal. Of course, I will share the pages that I'm creating in this journal with you here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching today. See you next time. Bye!